you go. It's still steaming.
Thank you. To the snowy view.
Careful, it's hot!
Wow, look at the snow. It's beautiful.
Okay, bet I can get this one.
Oh my gosh, you did it! That was perfect!
Look at the village! It's so snowy! Wow, look at that cabin! Wow, we're going so fast! Look at the little houses covered in snow! We have a variety of snacks, drinks, and bento boxes available today. Please take a look. Look, Mommy, snow!
I see it. Hold still, you have a little something right here.
We should get off at the next stop and build a snowman.
Careful there, buddy. You're making a mess.
Hold still, let me get that for you. It looks delicious, though.
It is. Here are your bento boxes. Please enjoy.
Thank you very much. I will.
Oh my gosh, you made it! We missed you so much! I missed you so much! You made it! We finally made it! Look how it mixes! It looks so good! I can't wait to eat this!
All right, here it is. Be careful, it's heavy.
Wow, that looks amazing! I'm starving!
Cheers! Let's eat!
Okay, fish balls first.
Make sure you get the sausage in there. It's boiling fast.
We need more vegetables to balance it out. Look how fast it's boiling! Quick, put the sausages in.
I am adding the greens now.
Ready? Dropping the fish balls in. Here come the vegetables. Look at that steam.
Sitting by the firelight, singing songs all through the night. Yeah, this is where we wanna be. Oh, the sun shines bright on the cabin today, singing a song to chase cares away.